Welcome, bienvenue. Like and subscribe. Please tap the subscribe icon or the nudge logo at the left side. Today we are going to see the third episode, Les nombres en français, numbers in French. The first one we see zero. Zero means zero in English, and the figure 0. Then we also have un. That means one. Number one. Then we have deux. Two. Deux. For 3, the French people say trois. Trois means 3 in English. For 4, we have quatre. Quatre means 4. For 5, we have cinq. Cinq telephone, 5 telephones. For 6, we have six, just like English. 6 livres, 6 textbooks. Sept livres, 7 textbooks. Huit fenêtres, 8 windows. Neuf fenêtres, 9 windows. 10 ordinateurs, 10 computers. 11 chemises, 11 shirts. 12 chemises, 12 shirts. 13 marmites, 13 pots. 14 couteaux, 14 knives. 15 couteaux, 15 knives. 16 sacs, 16 bags. 17, 10 plus 7, 17. 18, 10 plus 8, 18. 19, 10 plus 9, 19. That's how we say it in French, 19. 20 is 20. That's how we say it in French, 20 without S, 20 in French. 21, that is 21. A means and in French. 21 means 20 and 1. 22, you have to put a hyphen there. 22 till 29, the same way with it. 29. 30 means 30. The same way we did 30 without S. 31, 31, 30 and 1, 31. That's how we say it in French. 31. 32, 33 jusqu'à 39, 32 till 39. That's how we say it in French. 40, 40, 40. 40 means 40 in French language. 41, 41. 42, 49, 49. Second, 50. Second is 50 in French language. So you continue second, second, et ainsi de suite comme ça. 60, 60. So you continue 61, 62, 63, 64, 69. 70 is 70. 60 lose this. 60 plus 10. That's how the French people say it. 70. 71. Instead of normal way we did it, we have 71. That's something that we need to take note of French. Till 79. 80. 80. 80. 4 times 20. 4 20s. 80. 80. 81. You don't put the S after 20. 81. Say 89. 89. You continue in the same fashion for the rest. 90. 90. These are the French people say 90 in French. 90. 90 means 90 in French language. 91. 91. Continue in the same fashion. Say 99. 99. As I will say them in French language. 100. 100. 100. So when you get to 100, you say 100. 1 à 100. 100 means 100. For the rest, you can say 101, 101, 102, 102, and you continue like that. So that's how we say them in French language. 200, 200, 900, 900. That's how you say them. 300, 400, et ainsi de suite. 1000 is 1000 or 1000. 1000 is 1000 or 1000. As I will say it in French language. Congrats to Amin and Vicky. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.